Okay, here we go. There was something in this closet. Chris heard something. There's feathers here, so I suspect it might be a bird. Bird? Bird? It's a raccoon.
What?
Hello? Oh shit, it is a bird.
Another bird in there.
A vent? Poor bird, he's probably, who knows how long he's been in there.
Is he alive?
That's one of those blackbirds. You can't, I'm gonna have to trap him, like maybe with the basket, you have a closed basket?
Yeah.
Because if he gets out, he's gonna go up.
He's not coming in the house.
Poor bird. Hi bird.
Hi, bird.
Hi bird.
Oh, that's so pretty.
You wanna keep him?
Really? Oh, poor little fella. We gotta get him out of there.
We will.